What's up everybody, it's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2007 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic right behind me. You're not going to believe the miles that are on this thing because it's so clean. It's got some cool mods, and let's take a quick walk around this thing. So this is the 2007, so it's got the 96 cubic inch motor. It does have the 6-speed transmission, and let's see what this thing looks like up close and personal. First thing pointing out right out of the gate is we got the Reinhardt pipes. They have a good sound to them. They got a good rumble. It's not like overly obnoxious. There is the rear tire. The tread is good. A lot of miles left there. Definitely gonna pass inspection. You got your low tail light here, your brake light, turn signal. I mean, you guys know that stuff, but I want you to see it. Make sure it is exactly as I'm saying. So there's the rear fender. You can see the license plate mount up there underneath the tour pack. Again, nice looking tour pack. It's got that this is almost like a light baby blue. It's not baby blue though, because it's not bright enough, and it's got the the black accent. So I like the color. It's a good color. I'll come up here on top of the tour pack. See the luggage rack up here. This thing does have the big whips. So you can see those. Open this tour pack up. You guys can see inside there. See what that looks like. Keys in there, all that. Got the manual. Got the book. That's like all the touring models. Cool. That is that. Close it up. Here are the side of the bags. So there is I'm not sure what this is. So it almost looks like dust on top here, but if you run your hands over it, it has a light texture to it. I'm not sure what's causing that, but there's that. Let's open the bags up. There you can see inside the bags. It's just the Harley hard bags. Got the pins are there, hold it on. If there's one drawback, it might be those old style bags, but other than that, this thing is very nice. We got the chrome and the crash bars. So there's a mark here on the bag that I want you to see. Not sure what caused that. There's no texture to it, so there's not like a scratch. Run your hand over, it's smooth, but it's got that white mark. Keep coming around on the side here, see the side cover. You got the passenger floorboard, that is there, good to go. There are some accent lights on this thing. Might have seen them on the back. They're right here. And I think there's some right here on they're right there on the floorboard for the rider floorboard. There's your rear brake. There's the air cleaner cover, 96 cubic inch. See the motor there. Everything is nice in the motor. It's not leaking anything. It runs nice. It fires right up. I'll come up here on top and look at the seat just a little bit. There is a mark here in the seat I want you to see. Just a very small tear right here. I don't want to pick at it too much, but I want you guys to see exactly what that looks like. The other seams all look pretty good though. It's just that one spot. We can look at the other side when we get over there. Here in the tank, so there's some light markings right in here. It looks like a smudge or almost like a light scuff in the clear coat, but it didn't come off. So that is there. There's your badge. Here on the foot fairings. Foot fairings are in pretty nice shape. Sometimes these get all chipped up on the inside, especially from stone chips and stuff out on the road. This has a little bit of that, but nothing real gnarly, nothing real aggressive. It does have the highway pegs. It's nice if you're a taller guy like me. I'm 6'3", I like to stretch out. I'm a big fan of the highway pegs. Here you can see the upper fairing, your headlight, your auxiliary lights, turn signals here, all that. You can see the fairing. All this stuff's in nice shape. There's some light marks on here, like right there. You can kind of see this kind of light scuff, similar to what I was talking about on the side of the tank. Come down here on the fork tubes. Fork tubes are looking very nice. He does have these. The previous owner put these marker lights on. They're nice. Here you can see the the black wheel and the rotor on this side for the front brakes. It is dual front brakes, so we'll see the other side here in a second. Come over here to this fork tube, coming down here, looking good. A little bit of like pitting starting in here on this lower fork tube. Very similar to this side, but again, no rust. It's not rusting through. Nothing very, very aggressive or anything like that. There you can see the brake on this side. Again, see the wheel. There's your front tire. Front tire's got a lot of tread left on it. A lot of miles left there. Good to go for inspection if your state does that. So here's the tank on this side. There's some more of that, like the light marks like in the clear coat that I was talking about there above the badge. This badge has a little bit of like fade on it. Otherwise, there's that. There's the motor from this side. There is your rider floorboard. Again, has those marker lights in there. Got the heel shifter, the toe shifter, highway peg. All this stuff is nice. There's the LED light in there. There's your passenger floorboard. Got your side cover. Here's the bags. The hard bag on this side. Looking nice. There's a. Now see this one. This one is actually a scratch. I can actually feel it in the paint right there. But that is that. And there's a light mark, like a scuff right there on the hinge of the bag. There's the crash bars. Keep spinning this thing around. We already saw the tour pack on top, so we'll come around here to the seat. There's your rear intercom. There's the volume control. Up here in the passenger seat, all this backrest is in good shape. These speakers are looking good. Same here on the passenger seat and the rider seat. This is all in one piece if you're not familiar with that. Look over the tank. All this stuff is looking to be in nice shape. The top is nice. Here you can see all the gauges. Over here, see the grips here, clutch lever, mirror, all the controls. Same thing on this side. You got your throttle, mirror, brake, controls. Turn this thing on. Do not miss out on the test drive that Sean does of this bike. There'll be a few more miles on it after that. Look at this bad boy, 62,704 miles. That's a lot of miles for this bike being this clean. It was well maintained, it was well taken care of. I mean, as you can see, just aesthetically, it's in great shape. Let's fire this thing up so you guys can hear it run. So there's that. You guys heard it run. It didn't start right away. That was kind of I let off the starter just a little too quick. Let's make sure that these turn signals work. There's your front signal there. You got your rear signal there, also on the tour pack. Let's go around here on this side. Hit that left side. There's a turn signal there in the rear, and turn signal there up front. You can see it's got the bright headlight there. It's not LED, but it's got that bluish hue to it. So yeah, guys, this is a 2007 Harley Davidson Electric Glide Ultra Classic. It's injected, and this bike is not going to last long. Don't miss out on it.